Alright, in this video, we'll have a look at how an if block works and we'll also have a look at an example. This is the source code of Java. It is a basic skeleton, consists of a class named example which is same as the name of the file. Then we have a main method, public static void main, string arguments. Inside the main method, let us declare two variables, int n1 equals to 5 and another variable n2 equals to 10. Then let us have a print statement, system.out.println. Let us say hello world. Then followed by that we have an if block. Let the condition be n1 greater than n2, and inside the if block we have another print statement which gives output hello from if block. Beneath if, let us have an additional print statement specifying end of the program. So altogether we have three different print statements, one of which is inside the if block, which would be executed if the condition simplifies to true. Now let us compile this code and let us have a look at its output. We compile using JavaC compiler, JavaC example.java, and interpret the bytecode with Java interpreter. So we get output as hello world, and in the next line we have end of the program, which is the first print statement hello world. As we know, the order of execution is from top to bottom, so first hello world is thrown to the output console, then the if block is executed. n1 greater than n2, value of n1 is 5 and n2 is 10. 5 greater than 10 simplifies to false, as it is obvious 5 is less than 10. Therefore this condition simplifies to false. Therefore the if block is ignored and the program continues its execution beneath the if block. Then it encounters a print statement end of the program, and we again have a print statement end of the program. Now let us reverse the condition n1 less than n2. So in this case the condition would simplify to true. So again we would recompile the program and reinterpret it. So we get first hello world, and this time the if condition simplifies to true. So we get additional print statement hello from if block, and then once the if block is terminated, again it resumes its execution beneath the if block, and therefore we get end of the program. So this is how an if block works. If the condition is true, it executes, and if the condition is false, it ignores the if block and continues its execution beneath the if block.